Number 1. Adapt or die. They didn't resist change, they evolved with it. Your career, relationships, same rule. Number 2. The tribe is everything. Loneliness kills. Cavemen knew. Survival needs community. Call your friends. Number 3. Move to think. Your brain works best when your body moves. Walk like a caveman, think like a genius. Number 4. Less is more. They owned nothing but mastered everything. Minimalism isn't trendy, it's primal. Number 5. Master fear. Fear kept them alive, but action kept them thriving. Face your beasts daily. So, which lesson resonates most? Let us know in the comments. Thank you.